Good morning, welcome to the Queen's Table restaurant. Do you have a reservation?
Good morning. No, we don't have a reservation.
That's fine, no problem. Do you prefer a table inside or outside?
Outside, please.
Perfect. Follow me. Here's your table. Here are the menus.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. I'll bring you some water now.
Yes, a bottle of still water, please.
All right. Here's the water. Are you ready to order or do you need more time?
I'm ready. I'll have the fish and chips.
Perfect. And for you?
I'd like to know, is the beef Wellington big?
Yes, it's a large portion, perfect for one person.
Then I'll have the beef Wellington.
Very good choice. Would you like a starter?
Yes, a plowman's lunch to share.
Very well. And to drink besides water?
A glass of red wine, please.
Perfect. I'll be back soon. Here you have the plowman's lunch, the fish and chips, and the beef Wellington.
Thank you, everything looks delicious.
Yes, thank you very much.
Is everything okay? Did you like it?
Yes, it was delicious.
Compliments to the chef.
Thank you. I'll pass it along. Would you like dessert or coffee?
I'll have a sticky toffee pudding.
And I'll have a flat white.
Perfect. Here is the sticky toffee pudding and the flat white. Would you like the bill?
Yes, please.
Here is the bill. You can pay at the counter or here at the table.
We'll pay here. Do you accept card?
Of course.
Here is the card.
Thank you. Perfect, the payment is done. Have a nice day and thank you.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Good morning. Yes, thank you. The sales have started, right?
Yes, exactly. We have discounts up to 50%.
That's great. I'm looking for a t-shirt and a pair of jeans.
The t-shirts are over there next to the jackets. What size do you wear?
I usually wear S, but I also want to try M.
Okay, I'll bring them right away. And for jeans, what size?
A 42, please.
Perfect, the fitting rooms are to the right.
Thank you. I really like this t-shirt. Do you have skirts on sale as well?
Yes, we have skirts, dresses, and dress pants with 30% off.
Good, can I see those black skirts?
Sure, this is size S and this is M.
I'll try the M. Thank you. Oh, it fits me very well. I'll take it.
Perfect. Did you find the jeans as well?
Yes, these fit me perfectly.
Good, let's go to the counter.
Yes, thank you.
So, the t-shirt is £10, the skirt and jeans £25 each. The total is £50.
Can I pay by card?
Of course. Insert here, please.
Done.
Thank you. Here is the receipt and have a nice day.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Good morning, excuse me, can I ask you something?
Sure, tell me.
Do you know where the King's Cross station is?
Yes, it's quite close. Go straight down this street, then turn left at the traffic lights.
Straight, then left at the lights. And after that?
After about 300 meters, you'll see a large building with the King's Cross sign. It's there.
I see. Are there any bus stops nearby?
Yes, there are plenty right in front of the station. Where are you going next?
I need to take the bus to the Tower of London.
Perfect. At the station, take bus number 75. It'll take you directly there.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, one last question. Is there a cafe or bar near the station?
Yes, there are many. As soon as you get to the station, you'll see them on the right. There are bars, a kiosk, a pharmacy, and even a small supermarket.
Perfect. I would like to have a coffee before I leave.
Very good idea.
Do you know if there's an ATM nearby as well?
Of course, inside the station, you'll find several ATMs.
Thank you so much for all the information.
You're welcome. Have a great day, and enjoy your visit to London.
Good morning. Can I help you?
Good morning, I have a headache.
I see. How long have you had it?
Since last night.
Do you have a fever too?
No, I don't have a fever.
Okay. Would you like a mild medicine?
Yes, please.
Here you go. 1 pill after eating.
Should I take it with water?
Yes, with a glass of water.
Okay. How much is it?
It costs £8.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course. Thank you.
Here is the card.
Would you like the receipt?
Yes, please.
Here you go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Have a great day and get well soon.
Thank you. Have a great day.